So just reached Tapri. So we've reached Nako. So we are just entering Khyber village. This is the entry. Good morning from Khyber. So yesterday we have reached late in the evening, and after that my elder daughter was not keeping well, so she was not feeling well, some dizziness. That's why I didn't wanted to vlog anymore. So today it's a bright sunny morning. Yesterday night there was a bit of flurry. When I went to my vehicle this morning, I could find it was covered with a bit of snow. And yes, a lazy morning, trying to have some breakfast and trying to just laze around. And yeah, no special plans for the day. As it comes, we'll spend the whole day. So we are thinking, if we get a chance, if is there some sighting that is happening, then we'll go for snow leopard sighting, snow leopard like some shots. And apart from that, no special plans. This is the whole village around. And there is some glacier water that has frozen up. This morning it's -9 degree. Yesterday it went down. When I saw it was around -15. And yes, now it's -9. A bit windy, a bit chilly. That's it from this morning. Let's see what happens. Accordingly, I'll keep you posted and updated. Local life, the people are cutting snow and melting for their household water need.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ऋषि है। तो मैं किबर से हूँ। और वैसे पहले ज़माने में मतलब बर्फ़ भी, किबर में बर्फ़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ता था, और अभी तो बर्फ़ भी बहुत कम हो गया है 5-6 साल से। तो अभी पहले मतलब किबर में मतलब ये स्नो लेपर्ड हो गया, रेड फॉक्स, आइबेक्स, ऐसे कुछ नहीं दिखता था। अभी ये 5-6 साल से हमारे यहाँ स्पीति में विंटर टूरिज़म भी होता है। स्नो लेपर्ड दिखता है, आइबेक्स दिखता है, ब्लू शिप दिखता है, रेड फॉक्स, वल्चर्स, लामागैट, सब कुछ दिखता है। और हमारा ये यहाँ से थोड़ा 2-3 किलोमीटर पीछे जाके चेम ब्रिज भी है, उसके लिए भी विंटर में और समर मतलब टूरिज़म बहुत आते हैं। हो गया हो गया हो गया हो गया हो गया हो जा हो जा हो जा हो जा हो जा हो जा हो गया 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 बोलते हुए रुक रहा है
So the vehicle has now started and we'll keep it start for 5 minutes and then we can leave. So all thanks to Tashi
थैंक यू
and our own Lironda. Hope we'll be क्या ना
ওই চাষির কথা মনে পড়ে গেল
চলো
চলো দেখা হচ্ছে খুব তাড়াতাড়ি
হ্যাঁ আবার দেখা হচ্ছে শিগগিরই So we are out of Kibar and we have just crossed Kaza and we are continuing on the way to Tabo. So that's the update as of now. Kids are having breakfast which we got packed from the homestay. So we have just crossed Hulling and we had our lunch over there and now we are on the way to Samdo. After Samdo it will be Nako and then ahead. So that's the whole plan as of now. Today we are going to stay in Narkanda. So Narkanda is a pretty long drive from here. Because the day when we came over here, we drove from Rampur, but today we are in a plan to move ahead so that tomorrow is our last day drive back to Gurgaon. So that doesn't become that much of hectic, like hectic in the sense early morning, like getting up with the kids and getting ready becomes a trouble. That's why we have planned that we'll push today and go till Narkanda and tomorrow we can just start easily. That's what the plan is. Okay, so we'll catch up in some time once again. So now we are approaching Maling Nala and while we were coming the Nala was totally frozen. Now we can see. Hope it gets captured in the camera. And yeah, we are about to. I hope it's visible in the camera. It's all frozen. Yeah. You can see it in the camera. It's totally icy over here. And the black ice. And the black ice. We have to be very precautious. Okay, we have crossed the black ice section and we have crossed Maling Nala as well. Now we are approaching towards Nako. So we'll catch up in some time then. Hi, so I'm back and we have crossed all the hurdles and like we have crossed Rampur, We have crossed all the places, and right now we are just climbing up to reach Narkanda, our night stay. So we'll be there in next half an hour, 45 minutes. So after that, okay, so the truck just came on, no problem. And after that, we'll be staying in Narkanda tonight, and tomorrow morning we'll be starting back to Gurgaon. And yeah, so catch you in the morning, as I'm not good because yesterday night while sleeping I have like a sprained muscle, and so that's why driving is also has become difficult for me. So let's catch up tomorrow morning, and yes, tomorrow will be our last day, drive back to Gurgaon. Good morning. This is a morning from Narkanda, and today we are leaving for Gurgaon. So here I'll be closing the whole series this time, and we'll be taking some shots while returning back. And yeah, this is the closing shot, and the mountains at the back. Yeah, so that's it from this whole journey, and it was a very short one. Soon we'll be coming up with a new small series in the month of January. That would be a different place. So yeah, so thanks for coming along.